Good morning, students. Today we will learn new chapter, that is solid state. This chapter is very important for your board examination point of view. Total 4 marks question asked in this lesson. This lesson is 3-dimensional in nature. So, for understanding this chapter, slight imagination is necessary. You have given some basic idea and terms explained by learner teacher. In this chapter, we will discuss about coordination number, voids, packing in crystalline solids, and packing fraction. And in the last, the calculation based upon such type of topic we will also discuss. We know that atom is considered as a solid sphere. How the atoms arrange in the solid we'll discuss today. But first, let us see some important terms involved in this chapter. So, today my first topic in this lesson is coordination number. In short form, the coordination number is written as Cn. Coordination number tells us how and how many atoms are directly linked with one atom in a crystalline substance. So, we can say the number of nearest neighbor, that is touching atom, to another constituent atom in a crystal is called coordination number. So it is written here the number of nearest neighbor, that is touching atom, to another constituent atom in a crystal is called coordination number. Let us consider the following pattern of diagram. That is, suppose atoms are closely packed in such a manner Suppose if we consider this atom A is surrounded with how many number of atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is surrounded with total 6 number of atoms. That's why the coordination number of A is equal to what? 6. With the help of coordination number, we can understand the geometry of crystalline substances and the geometry of voids. So, first we have to understand voids. Voids are nothing. It is said to be a vacant space present in a crystal system. Is known as what? Void. So we can write in the close packing of constituent particles. There are some vacant space present in the sphere particles. This space is known as voids. On the basis of geometry, voids may be divided into three types. So what is written here? In the close packing of constituent particle, there are some vacant space present in the sphere particles. This space is known as void. On the basis of geometry, voids may be divided into three types. Suppose if we consider atoms in such a manner, this vacant space is said to be what? Voids. On the basis of geometry, voids are three types. A number, trigonal voids. B number, tetrahedron voids. And the last one, octahedral voids. Tetrahedron and octahedral voids generally obtain in three-dimensional structure. Different types of voids. That is, our first void is called what? Trigonal voids. Trigonal voids obtained with the help of three circles. Look this picture. Suppose if we combine all three centers, a void obtained known as what? Trigonal void. The coordination number for such type of voids become equal to what? 3. Our next void, tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids obtained by the combination of 4 circles. Look this picture. Suppose if we consider 3 atoms in first layer, this is the head of third atom. Suppose fourth atom we put here. This is the center. If we draw the line, then tetrahedral void become obtained. Tetrahedral means 3 atoms put in this way. The 4th atom is above the first layer, then you obtain what? Tetrahedral void. Our last word is octahedral voids. In this type of voids, the coordination number is equal to what? 4. Octahedral void means this type of voids can form by the combination of 6 spheres. Look this picture. This is the atoms of first layer. Their arrangements become possible in such a manner. Suppose if 3 atoms look like this, here we obtain one triangle. You can also draw one triangle. This point and this point is said to be what? Apex. First we combine apex and then such lines. We obtain what? Octahedral voids. Here the coordination number is equal to what? 6. Generally, tetrahedral and octahedral voids obtained in a 3-dimensional structure. Let's start packing efficiency. Or you can say packing fraction. Packing efficiency, or you can say packing fraction, which decide how the atoms are closely packed in a crystalline substance. That is, a space occupied by atoms in crystal system is known as packing efficiency or packing fraction. Mathematically, packing fraction can be determined with the help of formula, that is Z into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube, where Z is equal to number of atoms per unit cell. This is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to what? Volume of atom. AQ is equal to what? Volume of unit cell. So if such terms are given, then we can find out what? Packing fraction. If we want to find out the packing fraction in terms of percentage, then this equation you multiply by what? 100. If packing fraction is known, then you can find out the unoccupied space present in a crystalline substance. Next topic is packing in crystalline solid. This topic is very important for board examination point of view as well as competitive examination. The packing in crystal system are three types. That is, suppose if we write packing, then packing can be divided into three parts. Packing in 1D, one dimension, that is only one axis. Second one, packing in 2D, means two directions, suppose X and Y. And the third one, packing in 3D, three dimensional, means three axes, that is X, Y and Z. Packing in 1D is only one type, whereas packing in 2D are two types, that is a square packing and the second one hexagonal packing. Packing in 3D are three types. The first one, 3D hexagonal packing, that is AAAA pattern. Atoms are arranged in such a manner. Second one, 3D SCP pattern. That is, atoms are arranged AB pattern. And the last one, that is said to be 3D FCC, or you can say CCP, face center cubic or cubic close packing. That is, atoms are arranged in such a manner, ABC pattern. So, nutshell we can say packing in one dimension is only one type, whereas packing in two dimension are two types, packing in three dimension are three types. So, next lecture we will discuss our all types of packing. Thank you.